Yeah, hi. So, yeah, this video we will see about the IAM service. This one basically used to create a users, groups, and provide the permission to the user. So, as of now, you can see I'm logged in with the admin account, and I would say it's very dangerous to use because this one has all the access. Okay, uh, we should create the administrator accounts instead of this admin account. And yeah, we should also create the groups. Suppose um, three or four members are working in a team. Suppose there is a team of developers. Okay, we should create one group. Okay, and all the users will inherit all permissions which the group will have. Yeah, let's check the service IAM, how to create a user, how to create a group, and provide the permissions. Okay, and we'll also see to log in with IAM user. So in left hand side, we'll click on users. Here you can see there's no user. Let's click on add users and we'll provide the username. So yeah, so we are providing here username is RB. Let's click on this enable console access. As of now, you can see this auto generated password is all uh, clicked. Okay, by default, if you wants to generate the password is auto generated, then leave it like this. Otherwise, click on this custom password and provide your password. Okay, for now I'm just unchecking this. Yeah, and yeah, as of now we don't have any groups. Let's create a group here from here, and we'll provide the group name as a admin. Okay, and the user uh, will inherit all the permissions which this group will have. Okay, to provide the permissions, we use the policies basically. Here I'm just using this administrator access policies and click on create user group. So user has this group name, this admin. Okay, and yeah, let's click on next to create a user. Here you can see the user detail is Abhi, and the console password type is custom password. Okay, and here I'm sorry. Okay, I forgot to check this group. Now click on next. You can see here this group name, permission summary. You can see here this admin group. Okay, and this is one more things. The tags, it's optional as of now. Okay, if you want to add, you can add. Okay, for now we are leaving it. And then click on create user. You can see here user has been created. Let's check from here. From user, you can see the permissions. Uh, uh, this has administrator access. Basically, we provided the permission to the group. As I told you, the user will also inherit all the permissions which group will have. And just click on this group. You can see here what are the groups. So admin is the group. Just go to this user groups. You can see here we have one group is admin. If you click on it, you can see the permissions, administrator access. Okay, now we'll click on this dashboard. And one more thing I forgot to tell you. So here in top of right side, you can see the region is global. Okay, and a few of our other services. I would say like there are few services which are globally accessible. I mean the dashboard for all the services which are globals will be same. Okay, and other services uh, uh, like there are few services. Okay, which is accessible region wise. Okay, so here you can see it's global. Okay, and from here you can see this account alias. it's already been created. uh, Let me delete this. We'll create new one. So you can see here it's some numeric digits. It's hard to remember, so let's create an alias from here. And because abhi one is already created, so I'm using this abhi to AWS. And yeah, version 3. Okay, we'll see. So specify a ballot. Okay, let me give it like 21. What's wrong with this? Yeah, it's valid one. I think so. What's wrong with that? Okay. Earlier, this first letter was in capital. Might be it's showing this invalid one. Okay. Here you can see we have the URL. So what to log in? The IAM users we need uh, different session. Let's open this Firefox. I just wanted to show you both user logged in. Otherwise, what we can do, we can log out from admin account and then can log in with IAM user. This is what we provided. The username is Abhi, and let's provide the password. So from here you can change the region as well. Okay, and we created this user in IAM service. Let's open this IAM service. We'll see the user and group. Here you can see the user is Abhi. Okay, the group is admin, and uh, when you check in user groups, you can see the group is admin. Here you can see the permissions. Okay, uh, that's it in this video. I hope you like this video. uh, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.